Hello. Everybody's playing Slender Man in this room, so we're gonna watch reactions. Here's Amy. Say hi, Amy.
Where's the freaking page?
And here's
Here,
Laura
guys.
and Jacob.
We have 2 pages.
Okay, cool.
Oh, it's in here, I think. I'm scared.
Oh, there it is on the tree.
Third page.
I hate you.
What does it say?
Ooh.
Wait, is that it?
Just a picture.
If you see a red arrow, follow
Oh, wait,
it.
whispering.
That's the good thing.
Wait, turn around.
Don't be scared.
Okay.
No!
I found one.
It says,
Is that in the
first you...
distance?
Ah! I can't get it. I'm too stupid.
You have to go towards it and
Oh.
click it. There you go.
One sign found. Good job, Amy.
We have 3.
3?
3.
3. Cool.
I can't control myself. I mean, like I can't walk.
Yes, you can.
Control this. You just throw up.
Don't say like it's all mine.
At least I'm sitting with someone. I'm all alone. No, Jacob, we need someone to be brave.
I wasn't brave. It's just that I felt like throwing up too.
Keep
It's
walking.
in my stomach.
How is it on the ground?
No, it's not. It's behind you.
Oh my gosh, my face is going really red. I can feel it. Oh my goodness. Where is it? Where is it? Oh, okay. 4 pages.
Cool. Good job,
Why
guys.
is my face going red?
No one leaves, no one gets out. Oh, thank you. He is not real? Yeah, right.
Keep going, Amy. Keep going. Keep going.
A murder! He's screaming like I'm being murdered. He's behind me.
Just keep walking. Keep walking.
Push. He's not real? Yeah, right. Boom.
I don't want to play anymore.
Keep going, Amy.
Jacob, you should come over here. 4 pages.
Laura, come sit with Amy.
I can't. This is my game still.
Okay.
Laura, do you want to so I can go over and help Amy?
No!
No.
I'm not. Stay with me. Jacob, come here. Jacob. Oh, 5th page.
Your fear has called him. Oh,
Oh,
thank you.
Thank you. Yeah, we figured that out last time.
Okay.
Well, that was pointless.
We're 2 minutes and 30 seconds into this video.
Oops,
We have
that's a
5.
And
I'm
it's
drunk.
pretty, so far, it's really funny.
I'm drunk.
I got Laura's
8
blood
times 2.
pretty.
I don't like listening to the screams. It's scaring me even more.
I got that perfectly. Yes. Okay.
This isn't gonna be funny because I'm gonna be screaming by myself.
You're really focused, Amy.
I walked past the same house like 3 times. Oh, there's another way to go.
Oh. Well, I hear
Actually,
whispering.
it's the 5 pages that are freaking me out.
Yeah, like the more you get, the more.
Because the more likely you know he's gonna pop up.
No! No! Go! That way. Go forward, you.
I don't play Slender anymore.
Guys, as soon as you come here, I start failing at walking.
You
Oh,
just,
just kidding.
you've already
Okay.
beaten what you accomplished. We set out to accomplish. You accomplished first.
That's a rock. That's true.
Ah! You got it from behind.
Oh my.
So good, it's over.
Come sit over here.
Were you do that nighttime?
No, she's doing daytime.
Nighttime. Daytime. There, I made everybody not scared. Congratulations.
There was no escape from that one. It wouldn't turn away.
I'm drunk. I can't walk very well this one.
She's not very good as soon as she
Am I
sees
screaming
Slender
your
either.
ear? My error. You are now the haunted. Thanks. What was that?
Whoa, my camera just flicked out. That's weird.
That's. I don't like this. Can I stop? No, I'm not. I don't want to walk towards him. Oh, he's so pretty. That's a good idea.
Oh my god, he's so pretty.
Night.
Oh,
I walk towards him.
your reaction was the funniest. Good job. High five, baby. Well, that was our Slender video. High five, Laura. You screamed.
You didn't experience it.
I've experienced it.
I dropped my eyes.
Bye, guys.